Have you ever experienced a moment in a relationship where everything seemed to be going perfectly? The conversations felt natural, the connection felt exciting, and the attention from the other person made you feel valued and appreciated? Everything flows smoothly, and it almost feels like the relationship is naturally growing stronger. Then suddenly something changes. The messages become shorter, the calls become less frequent. The excitement slowly fades, and the person who once seemed so engaged begins acting distant. In that moment, confusion takes over your mind. You start questioning everything. You wonder if you said something wrong, if you did something that pushed them away, or if they simply lost interest. You replay conversations in your head, analyze every message, and search for signs that explain what went wrong. When someone you care about begins to pull away, it can create emotional uncertainty that feels overwhelming. But the truth is that distance in a relationship does not always mean what we assume it means. When someone becomes distant, there are usually two main reasons behind that behavior. The first possibility is simple and sometimes difficult to accept. Their interest may be fading. In the early stages of a relationship, people are often exploring possibilities. They are learning about each other, testing compatibility, and trying to understand whether the connection fits into their life. During this time, excitement and curiosity drive the relationship forward. But as reality sets in, emotions can shift. A person might realize that the connection is not exactly what they expected, or that the relationship may not align with their long-term desires. Instead of openly expressing those feelings, many people handle the situation by slowly withdrawing. They text less often, they stop initiating plans, and they gradually become emotionally unavailable. This does not always happen because they want to hurt the other person. Sometimes they simply avoid difficult conversations because they do not know how to communicate their feelings clearly. For the person experiencing the distance, however, this behavior can feel painful and confusing. It can feel like rejection, but it is important to remember that someone losing interest does not define your value or your worth. It simply means that the connection may not have been the right fit. The second reason someone pulls away is much less understood, yet it happens more often than people realize. Sometimes distance appears because the relationship is becoming serious, and that seriousness triggers deeper thinking. When emotions grow stronger and the possibility of long-term commitment appears, people naturally begin evaluating the relationship more carefully. The excitement of attraction slowly turns into questions about the future. Instead of asking whether they enjoy spending time together, a person begins asking bigger questions. They might wonder how they truly feel about the relationship, how they feel about themselves when they are around the other person, and whether the relationship aligns with their life goals and values. They may ask themselves whether they are ready for the responsibility that comes with a deeper commitment, whether they can support the other person emotionally, and whether they are willing to focus on one relationship instead of keeping other options open. These are serious questions that require reflection, and sometimes that reflection creates temporary distance. It is not necessarily a sign that feelings are disappearing. In some cases, it simply means that someone is trying to understand their emotions clearly before making an important decision. However, regardless of why someone pulls away, the way you respond to that moment plays a powerful role in shaping what happens next. Unfortunately, when people sense emotional distance, their first reaction is often fear. That fear leads to behaviors that can unintentionally make the situation worse. They may send repeated messages seeking reassurance, ask constant questions about what went wrong, try to make the other person jealous, or pretend they no longer care in order to protect themselves. Some people even attempt to mirror the distance by playing emotional games. The problem with these reactions is that they are driven by panic rather than confidence, and panic tends to push people further away rather than bringing them closer. Healthy relationships are not built on manipulation or emotional strategies designed to control another person's behavior. They are built on clarity, honesty, and mutual respect. The first and most important step in handling distance in a relationship is developing the mindset that your happiness does not depend on one specific person. Instead of believing that losing this relationship would mean losing your chance at love, remind yourself that life always offers many possibilities. A healthy mindset is understanding that the relationship will either work out or something even better will come along. When you truly believe that there are many opportunities for connection, your emotional reaction becomes calmer and more balanced. You stop acting from desperation and start acting from confidence. Confidence changes how you communicate and how you carry yourself. It allows you to remain composed even when things feel uncertain, and that calm energy often makes you far more attractive and emotionally stable. The second step is to pay attention to how the other person behaves during this moment of distance. Instead of focusing all your energy on trying to fix the situation, take a step back and observe their actions carefully. Difficult or uncertain moments reveal important aspects of a person's character. When everything is exciting and easy, it is simple for anyone to present their best side. But when challenges appear, true behavior patterns become visible. Notice how they communicate when things feel uncomfortable. Do they avoid conversations about emotions, or are they willing to talk honestly about what they are experiencing? Do they respect your feelings, or do they dismiss your concerns? Observing these details helps you understand whether the person has the emotional maturity required for a healthy, long-term relationship. A strong relationship requires two people who can communicate clearly even during difficult moments. If someone consistently withdraws instead of communicating, that pattern will likely repeat itself in the future. The third step, and often the most powerful one, is having a direct and honest conversation. Instead of guessing what the other person is thinking or analyzing every small change in their behavior, choose open communication. This conversation should not happen through text messages or indirect hints. It should happen through a calm and genuine discussion where both people can express themselves clearly. A simple approach is to acknowledge what you have noticed and ask for clarity. For example, you might say that you have sensed a change in the dynamic of the relationship and that you would appreciate understanding how they feel about it. This kind of conversation does not accuse or pressure the other person. Instead, it creates space for honesty. When you approach the discussion from a calm and confident place, it shows emotional maturity and self-respect. It also reveals the truth about how the other person feels. Their response in that moment can provide valuable insight. If they respond with openness and sincerity, it demonstrates emotional responsibility and a willingness to communicate through challenges. That kind of communication strengthens relationships because it builds trust and understanding. On the other hand, if they avoid answering, give vague responses, or refuse to engage in the conversation, that behavior also communicates something important. It may reveal that they are not ready for the level of emotional honesty required for a strong connection. While that realization can be disappointing, it is also valuable because it prevents you from investing more time in a relationship that lacks healthy communication. In the end, relationships are not about convincing someone to stay or forcing a connection to work. They are about discovering whether two people naturally align in their feelings, values, and intentions. When someone pulls away, it can feel like a crisis, but sometimes it is simply a moment that reveals the truth about the relationship. That truth may show that the connection is meant to grow stronger, or it may show that the two people are not meant to continue on the same path. Either outcome provides clarity, and clarity is far better than living in confusion or uncertainty. A healthy relationship never requires you to lose your sense of confidence or self-respect in order to keep someone interested. The strongest connections are built when both people communicate honestly, support each other emotionally, and choose the relationship freely rather than out of pressure or fear. When you respond to distance with calmness, self-awareness, and honesty, you allow the relationship to reveal its true potential. And sometimes the most powerful response when someone pulls away is not chasing them or trying to control the situation, but simply remaining grounded in your own value while allowing the truth to unfold naturally.